In this video I'm going to show you the work involved in going from this wooden splitter that we had in the FrankenSaab to this, the full aluminium undertray front splitter and rear diffuser. Hope you enjoy. It all starts here with two large sheets of aluminium. You can see I've templated out the splitter and some of the undertray here. I did take some of the measurements from the car and some measurements from the original splitter. You can see I've cut out some holes here. That is just to aid in servicing and maintenance of the vehicle. I wanted some uplifts on the splitter, left and right of the bumper, so you can see I've marked them out here and here. Now it's a case of cutting them, bending them into position and then welding them in place. This handsome devil on the TIG welder is Darren Spooner from Spooner's Outings. The guy's an absolute legend, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description to his YouTube channel and his business, SO Customs. Go check him out for any custom work that you need doing, and go have a look what he does on his channel. A lot of custom fabrication, a lot of fiberglass work, Countach, AC Cobras, Vitesse, anything fiberglass, anything custom, and he's your man. Go check it out. Now onto the undertray. You can see we've marked up where the suspension and exhaust needs to be, so we're just going to cut this out so everything fits into place. So this is about where we're at now with the undertray and the front splitter. You can see we are missing a section in the centre. I do have some more aluminium, but I'm probably going to be a little bit shy of where I need it. But I do have enough to finish off the diffuser, and that's all it really matters. I'm going to start with cleaning up these welds, top and bottom, and getting everything we have made up fitted to the car. Now I need to get rid of as much of this flex as is possible. I'm going to do that by having 2 or 3 mounting points here onto the subframe. And I'm going to have a mounting point out here up to this crash bar. I may also add one a little further back here to stop this from flexing. And obviously at this point is where the bumper is going to mount to the splitter, so that should also stop any flex that we have in this aluminium. I went ahead and put a small bend in the front of the splitter just to help with the rigidity. I then made up some side plates or uprights to fit onto the end of the splitter, and Spooner welded them into place for me. Just finalising the diffuser here, making sure it's all level and welding on some spats. This is to stop the dirt air from the wheels affecting the clean air inside of the diffuser. This is about 11 PM the night before race day at Castlecombe. Spooner stayed there with me, helping me out, getting the car sorted, ready for track time.